In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to arrange attribute table items in ascending or descending order. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in ArcGIS, I have this data and if I right click and open the attribute table, I can see the arrangement of the attributes in this table. For instance, if I look at this state name, they are arranged haphazardly, not in order. What if I want it to be arranged alphabetically or in ascending or descending order so that it can be easier for me to trace? So two ways. Number one, come to the column you want to arrange in ascending or descending order. For instance, this state name, if I want to arrange it in ascending or descending order, right click here, you will see sort ascending. If I click on it, you can see it has sorted it in ascending order alphabetically. So if I want to sort it in descending order, I'll right click and you see sort descending. Click on it, you can see it will start from the Z to A. Then the second way of doing it, if you want to sort it or arrange it in ascending order or descending order, you just come here and double click. Once you double click, it will arrange it in ascending order. If you double click again, it will arrange it in descending order. So this is how to arrange attribute items in ascending or descending order in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.